Assalamu alaikum dear students. We have almost reached at the end of the unit 1 as it is our fourth topic today. It will describe structure of nephron and function of kidneys. What is nephron? As we have already studied in the nervous system about the nerves, that neurons are the basic structural and functional unit of the nervous system. Likewise, nephrons are the functional units of the kidney. They are the tubules where urine is formed. Here is the diagram of a nephron. You can see here. There are over 1 million nephrons in each kidney. Each nephron has two parts, renal corpuscle and renal tubule. Renal corpuscle. Renal corpuscle is the first part of nephron. It consists of two structures, glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. This is a tuft of blood capillaries, glomerulus, and a cup-shaped structure known as Bowman's capsule. Glomerulus is a tuft of blood capillaries formed by the division and subdivision of small arteries and veins, and Bowman's capsule is a cup-shaped structure enclosing glomerulus. The next part is renal tubule. This part of nephron starts after Bowman's capsule. The first coiled part of renal tubule is called proximal tubule. This is the part starting just after Bowman's capsule, and this is the first coiled part of renal tubule, and it is proximal tubule. The next part is U-shaped and it is called loop of Henle. The last part of renal tubule is again coiled and it is called distal tubule. This is the last part of renal tubule and it is known as distal tubule. The distal tubules of many nephrons open in a collecting duct. You can see here that they are going to open in this collecting duct. Many collecting ducts join and drain into renal pelvis. Students, now we will move on to our next topic, that is function of kidneys. Blood carries nitrogenous waste material from the body to the kidneys. Inside the kidneys, blood containing nitrogenous waste reaches the glomerulus. Here, most of the water and waste material are filtered from the blood into the Bowman's capsule. The blood, after losing waste material, is collected in arterioles, which ultimately form renal artery. The clean blood is brought back to the main circulatory system. This filtrate, which moves into the renal tubule of nephron, also contains some useful substances. During its passage towards collecting duct, 99% of the filtrate is reabsorbed into the blood in capillaries around renal tubule. During this reabsorption, more waste material are absorbed from blood capillaries into the renal tubule filtrate. Now the filtrate in renal tubule is called urine, which moves into the collecting ducts and then into the renal pelvis. Students, at page number 7 of your book, there are small definitions that are very important. Please learn all of them by heart. As you can see here, this is page number 7 of your book, and this is stimulus, receptors, sensory neurons, and about nerve impulses, and about effectors. So these are very important definitions. Please learn all of them. And students, I want to share something with you that for almost every topic of this unit, I have prepared simple flow charts to make your concept more clear. It is only for learning purpose. Do not write it on your notebooks. Hopefully, you are all understanding the basic concepts. But in case you need more material, inshallah, it will be provided to you. Don't waste your time. Participate in online classes actively. Thank you. Allah bless you all. Allah Hafiz.